In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Myfundedfutures to Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to myfundedfutures.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go over and click Get Funded to start register for your account. And as you can see, you can sign in using your Google or username, email address, password, and all of that you usually would for signing up to a service. From here, it should bring something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. And here you'll need to click Start Challenge to start a challenge. Here you'll need to choose a plan where you can choose the Rapid plan, the Core plan, or the Pro plan. From here you'll also be able to choose between 50k or 150k accounts. And from here you'll need to be able to choose a platform, which of course will be Quantower right here. Just click Quantower like so. From here you'll need to go over and add in a discount code if you want to do that, and click I've read and agree the terms and conditions. And from here you'll need to either add a new credit card or crypto, and add your card holder name, card number, expiry date, security, and then click Add Card. And then from here you'll need to pay for the specific account. Once you've done that, you'll need to go over to a new tab to open up Quantower and download it onto your PC. Once you've done that, you'll need to open up Quantower like you usually would, and then from here showing something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up to the menu up here and click on it, and then from here you'll need to search for Myfundedfutures right there. Once you're in here, you can need to click on either demo or real depending on what type of account you choose to create. And then from here you'll need to enter in your username and password. Once you're right in that, you'll simply need to click connect, and then from here a big page on the screen will say that it has been connected successfully. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!